Hello everyone, my name is Mcclendon, and today I'm going to be doing a price prediction for Cosmos cryptocurrency. The ticker ATOM is currently sitting at $35.99, has a market cap of almost 8 billion. So there is a lot of players in this space. So let's get on to their website. It is called the cosmos.network. The internet of blockchains. Cosmos is ever expanding ecosystem of interconnected apps and services built for a decentralized future. Cool. So I have their link below. Let's get on to the price prediction. So I'm using two indicators. I'm going to be using the super trend and Bollinger Bands. So guys, let's break this down. Let's see what the players entered and where are they exiting. First off, for the support, we know that a lot of players entered here and exit off that run point here. The exit fell down, a lot of people selling off. That's fine. People taking profit. A lot of people bought, maybe the same people or new players. And boom, we have this big price movement up here. Didn't reach about the same price, came back down, and here we are currently. So actually put this down here just in case we'll need it. All right, so when it comes to this cryptocurrency, we've seen a lot of players enter this buying zone. Super trend is still saying it is a bull. So what can I do? Let's see. So if I was going to enter here, and I know there's a major buying point down here, guys, and a lot of people are taking off, and new buyers are possibly coming in. If we go up to this three-headed monster up here to break into new highs, we need to make sure that if we enter here, we need a large stop loss. Why? Because if we are wrong, and being wrong is part of the game of trading, and it goes back to these lower lows right here, if it goes there and more buyers enter, we want to have a game plan. So we do a small lot size right here, or if you're hodling, understand that you're buying a lower amount worth of dollars into this cryptocurrency or whatever currency you're going into or coming into. So if you're going to enter here, right here, boom, and it goes up, win, lock your trade in by moving your stop loss above your entry, or have more entries up here just to maintain this gain right here if you're going to hodl. But if we're wrong, guys, and for my price prediction, I am going back to this tippy top of $43.97. So if it goes back to that top, we need to make a game plan, have a buy limit right here. So if it goes down, we'll lock us in right here. But to make sure that both entries do not combine more than 2.4% of your account. Don't want to go bust on one trade. So if we're right, it can be right big. If we're wrong, we're wrong for a very little amount. And if we're right, we got to make sure we move our stop loss above our entry. Because if we're trading it, we want to make sure we lock in our profits. Lock in your profits, even if you're wrong. And the market goes up for a little bit, it goes up halfway, but we locked in our profits and the market comes down, you still walk away with the profit. That's very key, guys. So once we do that, we're going to this here. So the price prediction is these points right here. This big point right here, my bad. It is going to be about it's basically about $45. So basically $45 flat is the price prediction for this. So if I'm going to be trading this or hodling, I would plan accordingly so I'm not risking too much. So guys, let's hit it to my website, AndreJMcclendon.com. I got the list of indicators for you here, guys. If you want to learn more about trading, you guys can book a session with myself, or you guys can go to the stocks, indicators, or gold and silver statistics, learn more about the economy, learn more about money. That's it, guys. Please like, share, and drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.